Webnode Website Builder Tutorial for Beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Webnode to create a website. The first thing you want to do once on Webnode, you're going to tap on Get Started for free, and you can sign up using your email address. After you have signed up, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you have three options. You can either use it to create a website, for example, a portfolio website or a business website, or you could use the platform to create an online store, which you can start selling products, or you can use it to create a blog. So you have three different options. Let's say, for example, we were to select website. After selecting website, you can either use their AI feature, or you can select from one of their pre-made templates. So we're going to tap on select a template. After you have selected a template, once again you have the options right here to create an online store or blog, or I'm going to just tap on portfolios and I'm going to be creating a portfolio website. Let's say, for example, I were to select this one, so I'll tap on choose. After you have tapped on choose, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being generated. Once it has been generated, you're going to tap on continue. Once here, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your Webnode website. So the first thing you want to do is, let's say we would like to change the background image. You could go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the settings cog. From there, you have the header type option. You can change the header type, by the way, as you can see right there. You can also change the background image by tapping on section background, and you could choose a different background image. So let's say, for example, I were to select this one. You can see that the background image has changed right there. And if we would like to edit the text, we can tap on the text in the top left hand corner. You could choose to add a logo, or you can simply select the text and you could type in something else. So let's say I were to type in Jason Tutorials. You can see it right there. And I could also edit this text once more and I could type it in. So you can simply select the text. You can also change the font style and size, as you can see right there. If you would like to add a section below this, you can tap on the plus right here. Then you can see the different section options that you can add. So whether you would like to add a blank section, text and image, anything you would like to add, you can quickly do that right there. And by scrolling down, you can tap on an image. After tapping on the image, you could select edit. Then from there, you can replace the image, and you can also add in, for example, if you would like to add in a link, you can do that. And to edit the text is the same concept. Just tap on the text that you would like to change, and you can type in whatever you want. By the way, if you would like to make a text clickable, you can select the text, then you can tap on the link icon, paste in the link that you would like to redirect persons to, and that's it. So that's how you'll be able to add a link. And if you like to change the background of a particular section, you can simply select the section, tap on the settings cog, then from there you can select section background and you can change the section just like that. And scrolling down, you can continue editing your website by tapping on the sections that you would like to change. To view all the pages on your website, you will tap on pages in the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. Then from there, you can select the page you would like to edit. So let's say, for example, portraits page. Then we could tap on edit. And you can see the portraits page right here. Once on this page, from there, you can select the section you would like to edit once more. You can select the text and you can start changing everything. So that's how you'll be able to select the different pages and how you'll be able to edit the different pages. If you like to add a page, you can tap on add page right here, and you can choose to add a blog. You could choose to add an online store, photo gallery, or so on. You can see the different options. So if we were to tap on blog, then tap on choose, you can choose the page name, and we're just going to tap on create. And you can see right there that the blog page has now been added. So to edit it, you can simply select it and you can scroll down and you can edit each section. And you can also tap on blog post right here. After tapping on blog post, you'll be able to create your first blog post by tapping on add blog post, and you can give it a name. Then tap on create, and you'll be able to create your first blog post right here. You can start typing out your blog post. Once you're finished creating your website, you will tap on Publish in the top right hand corner, and you will be provided, better yet, with a website link, and that is now your website, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.